Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues on this one, and not nearly as significant as what it was on Wednesday, but still a pullback nonetheless. And price basically found support right at that green line, which I realize will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos I've done, but just a good example of the power of charts. Although what I am going to do is adjust this level slightly down, because now that we have more data, the actual low of these candles was more so right down around $13.85. So just a slight adjustment. And did the adjustment need to be made? No, probably not. But like I said, now that we have more data to try to get as accurate as possible, 1385-ish is more so that exact area where the buyer stepped in enough. So you'll want to keep a close eye on that as far as a near-term area of support. In the event, though, that level does not hold as support, the next key overarching level would then just be down at that gap close location of 12. Gaps don't have to close. Think about that. If gaps had to close, then that would imply that there are guarantees in the market, and there are no guarantees in the market. So do gaps close a lot? Yeah, they do. But do they have to happen? Absolutely not. So keep an eye on $12 in the event that 1385 mark is broken. What about areas of resistance? Well, the main area of resistance is just coming from, a foundational rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, that purple line there was the key level of support. But because the price broke down below it, again, at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And you can see sure enough, price tried to get up above it on a couple different instances right there. Couldn't quite do it. So while I'm not saying that the price can never get back above that area, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle around that area. And that moving forward, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back on the upside, $16, and we'll call it 65 cents, will be that main area of resistance to watch and try to get up through. So yeah, not a great day today, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.